Hello, today we're going to teach you how to make stock. Homemade stock is as thrifty as it is delicious. You can buy fresh ingredients to make stock, or you can get scrappy and pull things from your freezer and fridge. Very basic stock is just water and bones boiled together. You can add vegetables and herbs to add a layer of flavor to your homemade stock. Today we're using carrots, celery, onions, bay leaves, a little bit of thyme. If you bundle it together, it's easier to pull out at the end, and parsley. And just remember, you do not have to buy fresh herbs for this. You can even use stems. We're using raw pieces today, but you could roast your chicken bones for a deeper stock that would be more like a ramen or pho broth. Let's take a closer look. Now, just cover the vegetables and bones with water. You want to bring your stock up to a boil and then reduce the heat to a simmer. We want a low and slow simmer on stock so we can draw out all the collagen in the bones to make a nice, rich, thick stock. Simmer the stock for 2 to 4 hours, but no more than 6. And for the first hour or so of this simmer, you want to skim this foam, which is protein from the chicken. I like to use a slotted spoon. You could use a strainer, and dipping your spoon into a bowl of cold water helps release the scum. Then cool the stock before storing it. You can rapidly cool the stock by setting the pot inside a sink filled with ice water. Once your stock is cooled, go ahead and portion it into smaller containers for freezing. We like quart-sized bags and cup containers for making soups, and then small ice cube trays so that you can add stock from everything from pan sauces to steamed veggies. And that's it, you just made homemade stock. Thanks for making stock with me. See you next time.